The Tesla Autopilot does work reasonably well in China. It does not work quite as well in China as it does in the US, because still most of our engineering is in the US, and so that tends to be the local loop of optimization. So Autopilot tends to work the best in California because that's where the engineers are, and then once it works in California, then we then extend it to the rest of the world.
I mean, take Warren Buffett, for example. And to be totally frank, I'm not his biggest fan, but he does a lot of capital allocation, and he reads a lot of sort of annual reports of companies and all the accounting, and it's pretty boring, really. And he's trying to figure out does Coke or Pepsi deserve more capital? I mean, it's kind of a boring job if you ask me, but. It's still a thing that's important to figure out, like which is a company deserving of more or less capital? Should that company grow or expand? Is it making products and services that are better than others or worse? And if a company is making compelling products and services, it should get more capital, and if it's not, it should get less or go out of business.
Well, I think it has room for improvement. Now, and he would say the same thing. I mean, it's just some people have a talent for interesting quotes, and others have a little bit more of a blocker up there that says this can get me in a problem. But he's a remarkable guy. But I just don't see the necessity to communicate. I think I've got 7 tweets because a friend of mine signed me up for it.